On March 16, 1521, when Magellan discovered the Philippines. Ay, baliktad pala. Baliktad pala. When Magellan discovered the Philippines, yun ba yun? Ganun ba yun?
Ganun.
He landed on Limasawa Island. The people met him. What did the people do? They clap their hands and co, kick and roll and smile and glow. That's why we love them so. And then Magellan greeted the people of Limasawa. Good morning, good morning, good morning to you. Good morning, good morning. Oh, how do you do? Patakantindihan din sila. Pero wala mong palengke dun sa Limasawa. Hindi sila makapag-shopping. Punta na lang sila Cebu. When Magellan landed in Cebu, Ra Humabon met him. Ra Humabon greeted him. Good morning, pretty rosebuds. I pray you tell me true, as sweet as red rose. What must a body do? As sweet as a red rose. A little girl like you just grows and grows and grows and grows. And what must she must do? And then Magellan answered, "Oh yes, said Raha. Of all the quivers that I ever see, the owl is the queerest thing to me. For in the coconut tree. Under the sea." Nagkaintindihan sila. Then Magellan asked Raha, "Sir Raha, what is your transportation here in Cebu?" Wala pang kutsin. Raha Humabon answered, I ride my little pony, his name is Double Gray. He lead him to my lady miles and miles away. She whipped him, she rode him, she tripped him into a mile. I won't leave my pony now, for all that I desire. At nagkaintindihan sila. And then, Raha Humabon asked Sir Magellan, "Sir Magellan, how many days have you traveled around this world?" Then Magellan answered, "All the 30 days of September and April, June, November, and all except February
The rest is 31.
February was 28. Nagkaintindihan din sila. Basta yun. Then Magellan began to baptize the people of Cebu. When Magellan baptized the people of Cebu, Magellan recited, "Twinkle, twinkle, little stars, how I wonder what you are. Up above they way so high, like a diamond in the sky." Then the people of Cebu answered, "Rain, rain, go away, come back another day. Rain, rain, go away, little Pepe wants to play." Nagkaintindihan sila. When Magellan wants to baptize them everyone, Magellan came to Mactan. But when Magellan came to Mactan, Lapu-Lapu met him on the shore. Lapu-Lapu shouted, "Sir Magellan, I shot an arrow in the air. It fell on earth. I do not pray." Nagkaintindihan sila. Then one of Magellan's men came and said, "Sir Magellan, we will leave this island because Lapu-Lapu wants to kill you." Then Magellan answered his men, "Oh no, my men, don't be afraid. You know, all things great and small, all things wise and wonderful, the Lord God made them all." Nagkaintindihan din sila. Then one of Lapu-Lapu's men came and said to him, "Sir Lapu-Lapu, do not fight Magellan because he has thousands men." But then Lapu-Lapu answered very bravely, "Oh no, my man, don't be afraid. You know, I have two hands, the left and the right. Hold them up high, they're so clean and bright. Clap them softly, 1, 2, 3. Clean little hands, so good to see. At nagkitindihan din sila. Then Lapu-Lapu ordered his men to fire. Men, are you ready to fire? Yes, sir, yes, sir. Bow, wow, bow, wow, wow. Come on, my little master. Come, let's race to see who's faster. Then the battle began at dawn. Cannons to the left side of them. Cannons to the right side of them. Valley of thunder. Valley of death. Crawl the 600. Charge the line. Begins. Nagkatindihan din sila. And when when the bolo of Lapu-Lapu hit Magellan on his neck, Magellan cried and he said, Mother, mother, I am hit. Call the doctor very quick. Doctor, doctor, shall I die? Tell my mommy, do not cry. And that's the end of Magellan on the island of Mactan long time ago. At nakitindihan sila.
Katawa.
Tawa.
Walang magawa sa ospital. Ka para bobor. Ay, nako.